Good morning everyone, it's 5 a.m. in the morning. We will be preparing. We'll go join the flag raising ceremony in Baguio City Hall. So we're gonna walk. Maglakad na lang tayo from Middle Quarry. Ito, Middle Quarry to there, Baguio City Hall. So let's go. Have a blessed Monday everyone. More blessings to all of us. Okay, hello everyone. Punta na tayo ng Baguio City Hall. So let's go. Flag raising ceremony. Middle Quarry going to City Hall. Medyo late tayo, so I'm gonna use Gatsby wax habang naglalakad. Let's go. So ito yung Gatsby wax natin. Medyo nagmamadali tayo. Dito na tayo sa shortcut. Kaya dito na ako nagwawax sa daan. Let's go. Okay, as usual, city camp. Paakyat. Okay, bukas na yung Mucho Pan. Doon ako bumibili ng pandesal at pianono. City Camp view. Yan, St. Vincent Church. So, Legarda na tayo. Okay naman yung Gatsby ko. Yun na yung City Hall. Okay, McDonald's Insular. Dito na tayo. Let's go. With one of the most well-loved public servants, Councilor Cayabas. Okay, nandito na tayo with one of the most hardworking and well-loved public servants na si Councilor Vladimir Cayabas. City Hall. Flag raising ceremony siguro sa loob. So, kasi umuulan eh. Councilor Cayabas, one of the most hardworking and well-loved.
The West Philippines Arbitration Division, a historic milestone that affirmed the sovereign rights of the Philippines and the importance of the international law and the peaceful settlement of this. We shall forever see the skies the rains may gather, angry clouds may praise me on. Thank you for exemplifying the values of discipline, perseverance, and excellence which hope of youth to emulate. 600,000 pesos in cash after alighting along. Certificate of commendation is also awarded to Barangay Bakaking Central. Certificate of commendation. Thank you.